breath in and let it out. Good. One more time. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Good. Okay. Find that top leg. Bring your shoulders, square them off. Good. Rolling her back towards me. How you felt that one? I want you to flip to the other side for me. Square off your shoulders. Good. Roll her towards me. Flat on there. If you want to come in here. Good. Quite a bit of movement there. Okay. What I'm going to have you do before I do the y-axis distraction, I want you to turn and face this way. I want to clear out the thoracic space. Arm to the line. What that does is sustain intercostal thoracic. So all of these techniques, I'm moving different bones in the foot, and then at the end I like to get a shearing motion. Good. Now we're gonna address here. So like I was saying in the other videos, I go a lot more in depth on the feet and the bones, and you'll know exactly what I'm moving in, why I'm moving in, just different things like that.
There you go. Oh boy. Let me do this. I'm trying to help me out. Get your help. There you go. See? Works better when I do it. That looked good. Yeah, just close your eyes and don't think about what I'm doing. Just breathe. There we go. Yes, ma'am. All right. Get this around your oxygen. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. Home run. Now, I know you took that all the way down. And look at that. And no, I don't do that because I'm afraid I'm paralyzing the patient. Just do that for entertainment value and show. that. Boy, you get the hang of this, Arthur. That's good.
Yeah, first time wasn't scary.
There we go. That's it.